Good morning, students. All of you welcome to homophone class. Homophones are the words. Homo means same, phone means sound. That means the pronunciations are the same, but the meanings are changed, are called as homophones. Now let's see some examples. This is the first example. The dash of the sunset is very beautiful. Kiran purchased dash in Bangalore. In the bracket, sight. These two words meanings are changes. We are carefully selected the homophones. See the answer. The sight of the sunset is very beautiful. Kiran purchased site in Bangalore. Now let's see the another example. Deepak has dash bicycles. His brother has a bicycle dash. The options 2. See the answer. Deepak has 2 bicycles. His brother has a bicycle 2. Let's see the another example. Dash are many mangoes on the trees, and dash school is closed for 2 days. Options are THERE there, THEIR there. The first one answer is THERE there. There are many mangoes on the trees, and there THEIR there. School is closed for 2 days. Next one. The dash is very broad. I dash a bike. Options RODE road, ROAD road. The answer is the road is very broad. I rode a bike. Next one. Dash to God every day. The lion has found its dash. PREY, pray. PRAY, pray. Pray to God every day. The lion has found its prey. Sixth one. India dashed the cricket match. there is only dash jackfruit on the tree. India won the cricket match. There is only one jackfruit on the tree. My grandmother told me a dash. It is about two dash building. Storey story. Story story. My grandmother told me a story. Story story. It is about two-story building. Storey story. Ramesha's wife is very dash, but is the bus dash from Mysore to Bangalore. Fare fair, fair. Here Ramesha's wife is very fair. Fair fair. What is the bus fare? Fare fare from Mysore to Bangalore. Kishan thought dash a plan. He got dash the bus. OFF off, OF off. Here Kishan thought of a plan. OF off. He got off the bus. OFF off. He got off the bus. Sudha dash a story. There was a dash bus in the story. RED red, READ red. Sudha read a story. READ. There was a red bus in the story. RED red. Thank you for watching.